So what is interface? What is the abstract class? What is the conflict class? So why I'm telling this story means we need to start WebDriver now. So what is a WebDriver? If anybody asking a question, what is the WebDriver means? I will show the documentation. WebDriver is one interface. See here. So left side first packages are available, classes, their methods. Here one package is there. So someone is asking at the time of creating packages, any structure is there? Yes. Later I will tell. First always domain name, company name, project name. So org.openqa.selenium is the package. In this one, see interfaces. What is a WebDriver? WebDriver is one interface. So that is the reason, first of all, we should know what is interface, what is abstract class, what is the concrete class. That is very important to you. So that is the reason, first I am telling this story, interface, abstract class, concrete class. Then I shifted to the WebDriver. Okay. Yes, this is the last concept in the basics part. Now, interface. So generally interface means interface. Okay, now, sir, suppose client came to organization. He will give the requirements. Requirements are nothing but just like BRS or SRS. In that what it contains? Nothing. That BRS SRS is nothing but a interface. Because there is no implementation, only declaration is available there. Business requirement specification, system requirement or URS, only requirements are available. But who will be implemented? Developer, they will be implemented later on. That's why, sir, only declaration is available. There is no implementation. That is called as BRS or SRS. Sir, suppose once you inquire about this course, Selenium course or testing course, they will give the course content. Our reception people will give course content. So that course content is nothing but a one interface. Because whatever the topics are there, only they declared, no implementation. But this course content can be implemented by different people in the Durga software. Yes or no? Different people are there in the Durga software. Suppose I am taking the Python classes. I am also taking Python classes. Another person is taking Python classes. Another person. 3% taking the Python classes. So course content is the same, but implementation should be different too. My teaching style, my way, and everything will be different. Wilson teaching style, the presentation will be different. Mohan Reddy teaching style and different. Some faculties are there. Simply they are playing the pre-recorded videos. Their style is their different style. So same like that. Course content is one content, that is interface. Interface does not contain any implementation. Only declaration is available there. Who is implemented? Faculties are implemented that course content. Different faculties. So simple thing, sir, interface is nothing but a only declaration. There is no implementation. That is called as an interface. So simple example, I will give one more example. Sir, I have a one plan, sir. 10 floors building I want to construct. How many floors? 10 floors building I want to construct. At that time, one plan is required. That plan is nothing but an interface. So in the interface, only declaration is available. Who will implement it? Engineer. Observe carefully. I have a plan is there. Ten floors building plan is there. So I am given this plan to the implement into two places. One in Bangalore, another one into Hyderabad. Two places I want to construct same building. So one plan is enough. Fine. That is called as a interface. So now here I am given one. I selected one engineer. I selected one engineer in the Bangalore. I am given the plan and I am given money. He will be started the construction in the Bangalore. Okay, done. Same plan I am given to the other person. He started in the Hyderabad. Same plan. Money and everything I can give in. In the Bangalore, engineer name is Sunny. In the Hyderabad, Bangalore, Bunny. Fine. Sir, in the Hyderabad, the engineer will be completed. Yes, all the 10 floors is completed in Hyderabad. But in the Bangalore, 9 floors completed, 10th floor he is not implemented because money is over, expenses is very more. So that's why he is not implemented. So how many floors completed are here? 9 floors. That is called as a partial implementation. Partial means I am given 10 floors. He is completed 9 floors only, not completed building. So partial implementation. Sir, he is completed 10 floors. Very good. Bunny completed all the 10 floors. 10 floors. It is called as a full implementation. Now observe carefully. 10 floors plan is there. So this plan is nothing but interface. Because it does not know anything. Only declaration is available. There is no implementation. That is called as interface. Who is implemented? Two engineers are implemented my plan. One is Sunny, one is Bunny. Sunny will be completed only partial 9 floors only. So this type of partial implemented person is called as the abstract class. Who is implemented full implementation? This person is called as a concrete class. Yes, observe carefully. Suppose course content is there, sir. Just now I am giving an example. The course content, one person completed 100% each and every topic. That person is called as a concrete class. One person completed 99%, 1% somewhere some topic is missing. That is called as partial implementation. So interface means we don't know anything, only declaration, that is called as interface. Abstract class means if any child class implemented, only some methods in that parent, that is called as abstract. Concrete class means fully implemented class. This theory part, I will give it practical example. So in one word answers, I will tell, see, interface means in your mind, you can see no implementation. Abstract class, partial implementation. Concrete class, full implementation. So in the requirements only methods they can declare. So child classes are responsible to implement those classes. So different classes. So a class which is implemented all the methods, that class is called as a concrete class. Now here, Object creation. Sir, for interfaces, object creation is not possible because there is no declaration. Only declaration is there. Object creation is not possible. Concrete classes, object creation is possible because fully implemented. Abstract class, no chance. Some students are telling, sorry, it is possible to create object to the abstract class. No chance. It will give left and right. Because here only partial implementation. All the methods are not implemented. So how you can create an object? No chance. Only concrete classes, object creation is possible. For interface, no object. Abstract classes, no object. Only concrete class, object creation is possible. So this is theoretical about interface, abstract class, concrete. Interface means no implementation. Abstract class means partial implementation. Concrete class means full implementation class. Up to here, any doubt? Anyone? I will give it program, practical example also. Any doubt up to here? Clear, everyone? Okay, fine. First of all, interface. Okay, very good. First of all, interface. Interface means if we don't know anything about implementation, just we have requirement specification. What's the purpose? Here, very important. I will tell practical programs. I will tell WebDriver is an interface. Wait, very important. All these are Gnaneshwar. Main important concept. This is only in the WebDriver is a one interface. Observe here. Suppose if anybody is asking what is the WebDriver, see what is WebDriver? Interface. So immediate interview they will ask what is the interface means. Interface or class any similarities as we discussed both are like plans. No. Class means methods declaration is available there. In the interface only requirement specification, not plan. Requirements specification available. There is no implementation in the interface. But class means implementation is there, Preeti. In the class, variables I can declare, methods I can implemented. But interface only declaration. I will show example also. I will show one program also. Okay. Now, observe. If we don't know anything about implementation, just we have requirement specification. Then we should go for interface. Observe. Example. Sir, suppose I need to take interface. Person. Yes, person is an interface. I am taking my wish. Sir, what to do person? I have one method, public void drink and eat. Drink and eat. Every person will drink and every person will eat. But what they drink and what they eat, we don't know. Based on the type of person. Sir, person means student also person, trainer, I am also person, employee also person, everyone person only. Observe here carefully. Here only the concept. Person is one interface. Every person will drink and eat means, sir, what they will drink means based on the type of person, what they will drink, what they eat, we get. So here only declaration, no implementation. Method implementation is not there. Now public void work. What they work? Student work is different. My work is different. Employee work is different. Suppose labor is there, their work is different. So based on type of person work. See, if anybody asking, sir, person what they drink, what that means? Person what is the work means, we don't know. So only two methods I declared, no implementation. Who will implemented next class, child classes? Suppose another example. In the Selenium, I can write the program now. From the Java program, I want to launch the browsers like OpenURL, executing test cases. Some methods are required. Which methods? Get method, this method, that method. All those methods are available in WebDriver interface. Remember carefully. We can write Java program now. From the Java program, if we want to launch the browser like OpenURL and execute test cases, the required methods are defined in WebDriver interface. Actually, directly I want to go to WebDriver, but why I'm telling the story means observe. Interview most important thing. Here I am showing here. What is a WebDriver? WebDriver is a one interface. WebDriver, see whatever the required methods are there, those methods are available in our interface in the WebDriver. See the methods are close, find element, elements, get current URL, get page source. Only 13 commands are available there. So if it is a class means I can create object, I can call that, but it is interface. Interfaces object creation is not possible. Then how to call these methods? That's why I'm telling this all story, because just now I'm telling interfaces object creation is not possible. Yes, see the second point, important thing. Interface never contains implementation. Hence, it is not possible to create an object for interface. Interface should be implemented by classes. Observe carefully. So whatever methods you can require, those methods are available in WebDriver interface. Interface does not contain implementation. That's why object creation is not possible. Interface should be implemented by different classes. See here, documentation you can see. Interface can be implemented by these are all the classes, implemented classes. All known implemented classes: Chrome driver, even Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, Opera driver, remote web driver. So these are all the classes. Who is implemented those methods? Means, sir, based on their requirement, they can implement. Yes. WebDriver will provide only see interface WebDriver. It is available in the package org.opencode.selenium. These are all the classes. So based on the requirement, they can implement it. Now, here I will give one general example, and I will map this example to that WebDriver. So first interface is clear. Sir, present, I will give these notes in the chat panel. Take it. Very most important, sir. If you are getting clarity here, next all WebDriver programs are very easy. Very important today concept, today class. Sir, up to here clear? Just now he is asking Ganesh or someone where we are using means. They are provided all. Selenium is already given by some users. Those are given interface and classes. Based on my requirement, we can use it. So that is first concept, interface. Next, abstract class. Abstract class. If we are talking about implementation, but not completely. only partial implementation. Such a type of implemented classes are called as abstract classes. Here also one important thing, it is not possible to create an object abstract classes because the implementation is completed. Example, sir, in my interface, how many methods are there? 2 methods are there, drink and eat and work. At that time, suppose if any class is implemented only one method, 2 methods are there, but 1 method implemented. Such class is called as abstract class. Abstract class trainer. So implements is the keyword. Which interface? Person. Here I want to implement only one method. I can write the code. Public void work. Now I am writing the code. I will write my code here. I will write my code. Any code you can write something. I am writing the code. So 2 methods are there, but 1 method implemented by class. This type of class is called as abstract class. That is about our abstract class. 2 methods are there, but only 1 method he is implemented. He is unable to implement the remaining methods. Such a type of partial implemented class is called as abstract. Concrete class. If you are talking about implementation, but completely. If we are talking about implementation completely and ready to provide services, then we should go for concrete class. We can create object for class. So that is, so first interface, no implementation, abstract class. Concrete class. Fully implemented. That is about our theoretically. Now I will write our program. Now see, program I will write. So go to Eclipse, open the Eclipse. Sir, our workspace 13th November 8 AM launch. Sir, interview room, most important concepts are remember. Pakka, what is interface, what is abstract class? Because see, next level, once I WebDriver I started, you will get full clarity. Present, thoda. Because WebDriver is an interface. WebDriver contains 13 commands. How can I call that commands? That is the reason I'm telling this story. Otherwise, this story not required to you. Now see, programmatically, practically, I will tell. So everyone completed payments? Yes, now see. Yeah, end of the session we will discuss. Now see here. So first what I am telling, all our core Java programs. Yeah, okay, fine. End of the session we will see that one. Okay, na? Sir, now core Java package there, na, under core Java only I am creating. So first interface you can create. Right click, go to new. See here interface. Okay, Sharat. What is the interface name, sir? Person. Finish. Sir, in the left side it will come symbol also. It will come. Have you observed here? Interface I symbol will come, sir. Abstract class means A will come. Normal class means C will come. Interface. Sir, my interface contains how many methods? 2 methods. Public, void. What are the methods I am given? Drink and eat. Drink and eat method. Sir, what the eat, what the drink, I don't know. Public, void, work. What the person will work, I don't know. Only 2 methods declared, completed. Sir, person may be software trainer, person may be software engineer, person may be Amirpet student also, any person. So I want to take a normal class. Right click, go to new, click on a class. So first I want to take software engineer. Software engineer also a person only. Yes, observe. Sir, he want to implement the methods because based on their requirement we can implement. What is the keyword? Implement. What is the interface name? Person. Immediately it will go left and right. What it is asking? Babu, there are unimplemented methods are there, you have to implement. Like that. See, okay. I am implementing. What is the method, sir? Public, void, drink and eat. Now I will write the code. Another method. Public, void, work method. Just no error. So generally, software engineers, what they will drink and what they will eat. Anyone please tell? Here, anybody is there? Software engineers? 25 members are there. Anybody working employees are there? No one? Yes, sir. Okay, Dhaneshwar. Sorry, generally software engineers, what they will drink and what they will eat. French fries, burgers, oh, that is the daily. Weekends. Drink beer and eat biryani. Because of they are earning money. Monday to Friday they are working. Saturday, Sunday full enjoy. So observe here carefully, sir. Why I am telling this example? Observe very carefully. As a software engineer, they will drink beer and eat biryani. What they will work? Software engineer. They are doing always working, coding and testing. See, based on type of person, eating will be different, everything will be different. Yes or no? Yes. So, as a software engineer, they will drink beer and eat biryani. Their work is coding and testing. Perfect. Sir, is it a concrete class or abstract class? Concrete class only. Because of how many methods are there? 2 methods. Yes, very good, Ram. 2 methods are there in the person, 2 are implemented. So that's what is a concrete. Now see. So suppose you are all students. Some students are there, Amirpet student who came to Hyderabad, Amirpet. Okay, they want implemented person methods. because Amirpet student also person only. Amirpet student. Sir, they came for the Amirpet to learn the classes. Okay. Yes. So he is also a person. So he want to implement person. Now two methods: public void drink and eat method. Next, public void work. Very good. Sir, general Amirpet student means what they will drink and what they will eat. Amirpet student means they came from yes, hostel food, because they are staying in hostel. They can pay the money and everything. That is the reason. Here, observe. Eat dosa and drink water because they don't have money. Yes or no? Because they are paying hostel fees, course fees, and everything. Pizza, sir. There is no money. If you are a costliest student, you can eat pizza. Nitin. My student is poor student. That's why he will eat dosa and drink water. Tea also. Okay. Eat dosa and drink water. Because of his Amirpet student. See, based on the type of person, implementation different. What I'm telling, same thing. Amirpet student eat dosa and drink water. What is their work? Amirpet student work. Learning, very good. If you are a sincere student, you are learning. No, my student come to class and happily sleeping in classroom. Because in hostel they are very much busy. Yes, Ram, no. Go to the class, okay. After that, they don't take notes and learn. Ayyo. From last 12 years, I'm seeing n number of students. Students are coming into the classroom. They go to the last row. Happily, they are sleeping. Because that 1 hour, 1.5 hours is there. No one will disturb that person. Because if you go to hostel, disturbance will come. Friends, we will go to movie, this, that, everything. Chit chat, everything. Chatting, Facebook, WhatsApp. Busy until 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, early morning. Whenever 8 o'clock class, okay, we need to go to the class. Happily, we can sleep 1.5 hours. Sir is telling, just like singing a song, we can happily sleep. So, my students will come to the classroom happily sleeping. Now, see here, third getting clarity. Person interface contains two methods. Software engineering have their own implementation. Amirpet student have their own implementation. Now, sir, which method you want to call? Create that corresponding class object and call that method. That method will be invoking. Observe here. Now, test is my own class. Now I am the third party person. Sir, WebDriver interface given by Selenium guys. The class also implemented those guys. Third person, I will write the Selenium with the Java program. Same like that. I need to take a class. My class name is test public static void, because this one I want to run. Which student, which method you want to create object? Suppose you want to call software engineer. Okay, new software control space. You are creating object to the software engineer class. So P1. So what is the type of this? Interface name person. P1 dot. What is the method available? Drink and eat. So P1 dot work method. See. Yes. Now those will come. If you run this, yes, drink beer and eat biryani. Coding and testing will come, because you are created object to the software engineer. Drink beer and eat biryani came. Suppose I can create it to object to the Amirpet student person 2. But what is the main interface name? Person. Now P2 dot drink and eat. P2 dot what? See, which class object created you can create and give one reference variable. Eat dosa and drink water. come to class and sleeping in classroom. So person does not contain implementation, only declaration. Software engineer is implemented, I'm prepared student. So which class object you want to create object, call the methods. Simple story. One second, what is here we are calling the class VDPS. Which class method you can require, create object that class. Ajita. If you want software engineering class methods, create object to that class. If you want unprepared student method, you can create object to that class. Which method, which class methods you require, create object. Now see, why I'm telling this story means observe same story applicable to your WebDriver. Sir, what is a WebDriver? WebDriver interface. WebDriver contain how many methods? 13 methods are there. Yes. See, 13 methods are there. Only 13 methods are there in WebDriver, sir. Close, find elements, get current URL, page source, title, get window handles, manage, navigate, quit, switch to. See, WebDriver is a interface. I'm not able to create object. So what to do? Very good. Here implemented classes are which classes? Chrome driver is a one class. Firefox driver. So tomorrow if you want to launch Firefox, you can create object to the corresponding classes. Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, Chrome driver. So corresponding class. So how the here person interface is there? WebDriver is one interface. That interface contains some commands, 13 commands, get everything. If you want to call the methods means create object to the corresponding class. Which class, which browser you want to launch, that one. If you want to launch Chrome, yes, what to do here? See, Chrome driver. So my requirement is observe. I want to create first, what is the interface? WebDriver, reference variable driver, new. So what is the class name? Chrome driver. Yes, because see, Chrome driver is a one class who is implemented the WebDriver interface methods. That's why I say I'm creating object. No, sir, I want to launch Firefox driver. Okay, see, Firefox driver is a one class. Now same story. What to do? WebDriver is interface. Driver, I'm one reference variable. Any name you can take, your wish. New Firefox driver. So some guys you can ask at the time of coding why this statement means. The answer is to launch the Chrome browser. We can write this statement. To launch the Firefox, we can write this statement. Correct. But what is internal reason? That is they don't know. If you want to launch IE, Internet Explorer driver, create object. Simple, they are telling to launch the Chrome browser. You can write the statement to launch the Firefox. But what is internally? Internally, you can answer in the interview room. Sir, WebDriver is one interface, sir. Okay. WebDriver contains these 13 comments, sir. If you want to use these 13 comments, interface object creation is not possible. That interface implemented by a Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, sir. Which class methods I want implemented, that class object I am creating and calling those methods. Like that, you can explain clearly. Don't tell this line is to launch the Chrome browser. This is to launch the Firefox. If you can tell like this, they will give left and right. Or else they will ask who is your trainer. So no, internal reason is observe. WebDriver is what is WebDriver? Interface. For interfaces, object creation not possible. Then how to call the methods? So corresponding child classes are available, implemented classes. Which class method you can require? Create object to that class and call the method. That is actually internal story. To getting this concept, I am telling that much story. Yes, all are concrete classes only, Preeti, all are concrete classes only. Directly they are implemented all these classes by Selenium guys. Who are given Selenium, na, those are given these classes. Otherwise, directly I can write program only. Everything complete classes only. That's why happily you can create object to class and call the methods. That's why I am telling that story, interface, abstract class, concrete class, because of single statement. Because tomorrow interview they will ask, why are you creating object to Firefox driver? Why are you giving the web driver? Definitely they will ask. Then 90% student they are telling their answer is, sir, if you want to launch the Firefox, we are using that statement. That is very wrong definition. Whatever I'm telling, that is the correct. See, I will open one diagram, see that. Because this is the exact reason. Now you can tell same thing. Whatever I'm telling, that is you can tell interview. WebDriver is one interface. It contains some methods. WebDriver contains only declaration, no implementation. What are the methods are there? You can tell that 13 list. Get, I will use the list. Get, 1 second, diagram is, yes. Get command, quit command, close, find element, find elements, get current URL, get page source, manage, navigate, switch to 13. I will use the list. Now, but who is implemented? Yes, Firefox driver implemented my WebDriver. Methods are implemented. Chrome driver implements WebDriver. Internet Explorer implements WebDriver. Which method you want to create that object? See, if you want to call these methods, create object to this. If you want to call Chrome driver, creation object. If you want IE, call the method. Simple reason, sir. Then interview will be definitely impressed. 90% everyone telling this is to launch the Firefox. This is to launch the Chrome browser. This is to launch the IE. Like that they will tell. The problem is not the student, trainer problem. Trainer will tell same thing. That line is to launch Firefox. This line is to launch Chrome browser. This line is to launch IE. Like that they will tell trainer. Sir, why? What is WebDriver? What is Firefox means? Array, to launch Firefox, this command we can use. Write this command. Like that they will tell. Sir, what is driver? Can I use driver or any name? Any name you can use here. It is one reference variable. Instead of driver, you can use my name. You can use dog, cat, rat, mat, anything. This is one reference variable only. Any name you can use. But WebDriver compulsory, interface name. Firefox driver compulsory, implemented class. So that is the story of interface, abstract class, concrete class. Sir, everyone getting clarity? Thoda. Or full clarity? Full? Very good. 60%. Because you are yesterday absent na Praveen, that's why you are getting 60%. If you come regularly, then you will get 100%. So don't miss the classes. Okay. Because see, tomorrow onwards WebDriver will start. So if one day you are missing, the concept will be missing. Okay, Rohan, we will see. Because if one day if you are missing, the concept will be missing. So don't miss the classes from tomorrow onwards. Gnaneshwar, little bit confusion. Ayyo, why? What is your confusion? Tell, I will clarify.
Yeah, like these all are related to concrete class. Why this web abstract class came to the picture, which is not fully implemented.
That is I'm telling you. See, sometimes, so actually in the Java it is required because sometimes interface contain 10 methods. I don't know complete implementation. Only 8 methods implemented. Two methods are not implemented. So my class is partial implementation. Next, what to do? He will take that class. Suppose he observe. Just now I'm given one person completed only 9 floors only. What I was doing, suppose he is given plan to me. Can I continue the 10th floor, or can I collapse all the 9 and continue? I will continue. Then he will take that abstract class. He will extend that. He will implement the remaining 2 methods. Slowly at the time of next level, interfaces, what is that? Inheritance. Next level inheritance concepts, you will get clarity. Present, what you know is interface means only declaration. Abstract, you can create object. Yes, Ram. Abstract classes object creation is not possible. Tomorrow, 10 methods 8 implemented now. I can inherit that class to another class and implement just 2. Yes, at the time of inheritance, it is very, very useful. Ram.
Okay.
Ram, whatever you are telling, that is correct, because for abstract classes, object creation not possible. Suppose one interface contain 10 methods. Sir, in the Python, that is I'm telling you, one programming is required. In the Python, I will tell all the story. I will take one interface, 10 methods. A class implemented 8 methods. Now I will inherit this class. So concrete class extends abstract class. Then remaining only 2 methods I want to implement, sir. That is the reason. See, Gyaneshwar, because that method contains only. But when we can do full implementation, then why partial is required? No, Nitin. We are not doing anything. Already they are implemented classes. I am not doing anything. What I am telling is, a person not completed, he is unable to implement 10 methods. The person problem. Suppose our course content is there, sir. In my course content, sometimes some trainers are telling only Selenium only. So it's not completed. Those guys given to for me. Now I am telling, no. Only implemented one only. Implement extends is possible. So my concrete class extends abstract class and implemented 2 methods only. Here a class contains 8 methods, abstract class. Sir, upcoming classes you will get clarity at the time of inheritance concepts. Okay, and don't bother about that. Present in your mind just what is interface, what is abstract class, what is concrete class, what is WebDriver, how to call that WebDriver methods. That is all important in this instance. Okay. Can we implement more than one class? Yes, here implemented. Okay, only one class only. No, only one class implements. But any number of classes, one by one, like Firefox driver, Chrome driver, interface. So at a time, multiple not possible. One by one, any number of classes implements. Fatima. So now tomorrow onwards, WebDriver programs I will start. Tomorrow I will tell 1 or 2 programs. I will give assignments. Do practice. Don't miss the classes. Okay. Yes. More practice is required from tomorrow onwards. Up to now, just Java concepts and theoretical na fine, chalta. But once WebDriver started, compulsory you need to practice it. Then in the Google, you can take that one, Ajito. From the Google, you can take it. If in that one, if it is not coming, in the Google, it is available there now. Praveen, your installation completed. Praveen. Shabana, Syed, Sharat. Not completed, completed. Completed. Okay, very good. Sir, okay, tomorrow I will catch you. Sir, please complete the payments. If anybody pending is there, do it fast today. Once he completed, he will get the recordings and everything. Okay, fine. Payments who are pending, some guys are pending still. Okay, now please do the payments. Sir. Once it is completed, you will get the recordings and materials, PDF and everything. Then daily you can see that recordings and material. Attend the classes, then easy to getting it. Okay. Okay, everyone. Tomorrow I will catch you.